Hi there beautiful people, today we are going to try a mini challenge. And that of course involves the mini and also a light bulb. We are trying to get the answer to the question how many engineers does it take to screw a light bulb. Hopefully there's going to be one and one mini, so let's get started. Right, maybe not that kind of started, but let's begin. Right, so after taking the lampshade off, strap the light bulb to the mini and it's flight on. Yeah, here comes the mini with the light bulb and approaching the socket. There, oh, come on, little left, yeah, little left. And now up. Victory! Yes, it's in! Spin the light bulb, spin the light bulb, and spin. Let's go for a second attempt. There is a lot of movement on the joystick, but that doesn't compare with the movement on my jaw. Left, right, up, down. Okay, now it's in. Spin. The light bulb is spinning inside the socket. A bit more. Yeah, I think that should do it. Yeah, all propellers are beeping error now, but I'll call that a success. Of course, this didn't work on the first try, and there were several attempts, so let's have a look over those. This was actually the first successful run, but didn't manage to properly cut it on the camera. Oops, almost dropped the mini here. This was definitely a challenge, but also lots of fun. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and let me know what you think, or what you think about my t-shirt in the comments below. Till next time.